A function is like a recipe. It's a set of instructions that performs a specific task when you call or use it. Functions help you organize your code into manageable chunks and avoid repeating the same code over and over again. Def is a keyword that tells Python you're defining a function. Greet is the name of the function. This is the code block inside the function, which prints hello there when the function is called. Functions can also take inputs arguments and return outputs. In this example, the add function takes two arguments a and b, adds them together, and returns the result. When you call add3, 5, it returns 8, which is then printed to the console. You don't want to define a full function with a name and all that, you just want something quick and easy. That's where Lambda functions come in handy. Lambda is a keyword that tells Python you're creating a Lambda function. X is the input to the function. X multiplied by 2 is the expression that defines what the function does with the input. You can use your Lambda function double like any other function. A class is like a blueprint or a template for creating objects. It defines how an object will behave and what attributes it will have. An object is an instance of a class, meaning it's created based on the blueprint provided by the class. Imagine you have a class called car. This class defines what a car is, such as its color, speed, and functionality. When you create an object of the car class, like a red Ferrari named my_car, you're making a specific car based on the car blueprint. This specific car will have all the attributes and behaviors defined in the car class, but it will also have its own unique characteristics, such as its color, speed, and name. First, define the car class with its attributes and methods. Here's a simple example. Once the car class is defined, you can create objects instances of the class. Each object represents a specific car with its own color and speed. You can access the attributes color, speed of each car object and call its methods accelerate, break using dot notation. You can modify the attributes of an object directly. Once the objects are created, you can use their functionality to perform actions. This is a basic overview of how you can use the car class in Python. Scope refers to the area of code where a variable is accessible. Variables can have different scopes, such as global scope accessible everywhere and local scope accessible only within a specific function or block of code. A variable declared inside a function can't be accessed from outside the function unless it's returned.